Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to follow someone on Twitch. To follow someone on Twitch, first of all, open the Twitch application on your device and from the home page, go ahead and tap on the browse button at the bottom. In the search box at the top, type in the name of the person you want to follow. And once you search for the person, it will show you a search result of several other contacts on the screen. Go ahead and look for the contact you are trying to follow and tap the follow button right under their name. Soon after you do that, you will be able to follow the contact. And that's it. You've followed your favorite streamer on Twitch. Now you can enjoy their live streams and never miss an update. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.